Hi everyone, good morning. I'm Perdana Parlinto Aritonang. So praise be to God for today's. Today's I'm gonna to read few sentences to practice my pronunciation. So let's get started. So I'm gonna to answer to part 2. Read these tongue twisters. Number 1. Sheep sneak silently through the meadow. Number 2. Barry the bear barely balanced a barrel of beer while wearing a pair of bare boots. Number 3. A friendly frog frolics in the fragrant, flowery forest. Number 4. Sally's silky slippers slipped silently on the shiny surface. Number 5. Frivolously fanciful Fred fresh fish furiously. Number 6. He threw 3 free throws. Number 7. Tessa taught tiny turtles to tap dance on the table. Number 8. 10 tiny turtles tiptoed timidly toward the tall tide, trembling through thick tropical thorns. Okay, next, number 9. White wrote the right in the right way to write what was rightly written. Number 10. She sees the sea and says she'll kiss to see the sea if the sea kisses to be seen. Number 11. Pebbles Pond fell in the puddle, causing a fiasco. Number 12. Christopher's photograph of a flying dolphin is phenomenal. Number 13. 6 slippery snakes silently slithered southward through the sandy swamp. Number 14. While William wildly whistled with windy, whirling winds whipped the white window shutters. Number 15. Brick's brave burglars brandished broken blades, blending briskly behind bright, blazing billboards. Okay, everyone, I think enough for today's. Subscribe if you enjoyed it. So thank you very much. God bless you.